This is the entire set. It does come with the mat, all right? Limited setup, so you don't need any too much tools to set this up. So right now we're gonna set it up so you guys can see it. All right, so this is adjustable for height, all right? And right now we're still setting it up. And depending on your size of your child, you could set this up even lower or higher. Now this thing comes collapsible. If you guys notice, this thing comes out, put it away, so it kind of becomes one piece, kind of. So if you think it's gonna take space, you can always put it in some corner. Only when they're going to use it. So if your child wants to start doing gymnastics, this is a perfect way to actually start from home, right? Because sometimes classes get really expensive. This actually collapses into one piece, so you can put it against the wall somewhere. It's adjustable right here on this area here. It could carry a couple of pounds. Make sure you read the description, and always parent supervision with this, all right? Don't ever let your kids run in without an adult, all right? Now, it's not always guaranteed that to be safety for everybody. Now, it does come with a little mat. The mat is not thick enough. It's just thick enough to able to scratch your floor. Another great thing about this thing is it comes in various colors. It's, like I said, adjustable. 2 rings, and these rings are perfect because they come with actual tape grips, all right? Not only tape grips on the actual rims itself, but actual bar itself. Like I said, adjustable. Take a look at the actual size and the ages before you start, having your child set this up. Now, you are going to require a little bit of space. The real estate's about maybe 5 to 6, all right? Just make sure you have enough real estate. Height, it's about maybe less than 4 feet. But like I said, it's adjustable. You could bring it lower. Every little pin's here. And it has a lock mechanism. Like you see, we have enough space here for enough for the actual system. But like I said, it folds down, ready to use, and your kids to enjoy. All right, we're going to take these off. But it does come with an excessive nylon, all right, which is very strong. Now, if you're going to adjust them where you're going to cut them, make sure you burn the actual corners so they won't start running.
Okay, ready? Jump. Put your body. Okay. Now don't let go. Go. Swing your body across. Go over. Over. Land on your feet. Over. Land on your feet.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Don't let go of the bars. Don't let go of the bars. That's the biggest thing. Don't let go of the bars and you'll be fine.
Like that, Lucy. Agárrate bien, Lucy. Go, Lucy. Go, Lucy. Again, go, Lucy. Go.
All right. Yes. Good job.